Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start studying calculus. Begin by reviewing your foundational math skills, especially algebra and trigonometry. These are the building blocks for understanding calculus concepts. Focus on grasping the idea of limits, which is the cornerstone of differential calculus. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to practice problems. Consistent effort will make complex topics much clearer and more manageable as you progress through the material. Once you have a solid foundation, dive into limits. Think of a limit as what a function is doing as it gets incredibly close to a specific input value. Next, explore derivatives, which tell us how quickly something is changing at any given moment. For example, a car's speed is the derivative of its position. Practice applying the power rule and chain rule to various functions. These are two fundamental tools you will use constantly. After mastering derivatives, move on to integrals. Integrals are essentially the reverse of derivatives. They help us find the total amount or the area under a curve. Imagine calculating the total distance traveled given a varying speed. That's an integral at work. Focus on understanding both definite and indefinite integrals. The fundamental theorem of calculus connects these two major concepts, providing a powerful framework for solving many real-world problems. To truly excel in calculus, consistent practice is paramount. Don't just read examples, actively solve problems yourself. Aim for at least 10 to 15 problems per study session. Leverage online platforms like Khan Academy or YouTube for alternative explanations if a concept isn't clicking. Studying with a group can also be incredibly beneficial, as explaining concepts to others solidifies your own understanding. Remember, patience and persistence are key to success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.